Good morning, my dear students, 7th class. Today we shall continue with number system, and in this topic we are going to do F fourth part. First conversion is binary to decimal. डेसिमल टू बाइनरी में आप लोगों ने क्या किया था, डिवीजन किया था. बाइनरी टू डेसिमल में आप लोग मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2 के साथ, क्योंकि बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में आपके पास 2 नंबर होते हैं, तो 2 नंबर आपके 2 multiply by something and raised to power also for the position of the number. So position will be started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we are having 5 positions for the number. Number 1 is on 2 raised to power 0 position. Number 0 is on 2 raised to power 1 position. Number 0 will be on 2 raised to power 2 position, and so on. We will do the write the position of the number, and we will do multiplication. And rule for number system is 2 raised to power 0 will be 1 and 2 raised to power 1 will be 0. Here 2 raised to power 0 will be 1, 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. Here 2 raised to power 1 will be 0 and 0 will be 0, and something multiplied by 0 will be 0 also. 2 raised to power 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 1 is equal to 8, and something again will be multiplied with 0 will be 0. 2 raised to power 5, so that we will write 5 for 2 for 5 times. Here we are have written 2 for 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. 2 raised to power 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 multiplied by 1 will be 32. And after that we will do addition of the number. 32 plus 8 plus 1 is 41, so 41 base will be 10 after conversion of binary to decimal. So 41 will be the answer of first question. Second will be your homework, and for C you will do, here we are having the number that 1110001. 1 will be on, the position of number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 positions are here. So 1 is on 0 position, 0 is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have mentioned the position and written the number as well. And after that we will do multiplication. 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 and 2 raised to power 1 will be 0. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0. आफ्टर दैट वी आर ऑल्सो हैविंग 0, 0 and 2 raised to power 4, that means we will write 4 times 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 into 1 will be 16. And next we are having 2 for 5 times, so we will write 2 for 5 times. 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 5, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 multiplied by 1 will be 32. And after that we are having 2 for 6 time, we will mention 2 here for 6 time. And for multiplication, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64. We have mentioned the position of the number as well after the multiplication. So 64 into 1 will be 64, and after that we will do addition, that is 113. So 113 base will be 10 after the decimal conversion. So binary to decimal में आपका result 113 by 10 रहा, base 10 है आपका. So next we are having the sum, that is D part 111000110. So position आपकी start हुई 0 से, उसके बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और लास्ट आपका 8 पोजीशन है. तो नंबर आपने कैसे लिखने हैं, 200 आपका 1 पोजीशन में है, 20 2 1 2 3 4 2 8 यहाँ तक आपने लिख दिए. फिर उसके बाद आपने नंबर्स लिख देने हैं. नंबर्स आपके कौन से, 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. ये सारे नंबर जब आपने नोट डाउन किए फिर उसके बाद आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे. Something multiplied by 0, 2 raised to power 0 will be 1, and 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Here we have written 0. 2 raised to power 1 will be 0, and 0 into 1 will be 0. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 into 1 is equal to 8. नेक्स्ट 0 रहेगा क्योंकि समथिंग मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 विल बी 0, 0. 2 रेज टू पास 6, सो आपने 6 जो 2 है वो 6 टाइम लिख देना. Here we are mentioning 2 for 6 time. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 34, 2s are 64. 64 रहा आपका। नेक्स्ट है आपका 2⁻7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, एक बार और कर लोगे तो 7 हो गया आपका। 64 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 विल बी 128। अब 2⁸ है तो 8 के लिए 2 जो है आपने एक और टाइम लिख लिया। यहाँ आपके अब 8 जो है वो 2 जो है वो 8 टाइम्स हो गए। 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 ज़ा 8, 2 ज़ा 16, 2 ज़ा 32, 64, 128 and 256. As that you have mentioned all the things, and after multiplication you will do the addition. The addition result will be 4, 56, 10. That is base is 10 for this. With this your chapter number 2 number system is completed, and whenever your Zoom class will be conducted we will do revision of the number system, and B part will be your homework of this part, and be prepared for your exam as well. And very important topic for your exam, binary to decimal and decimal to binary conversion. So do them very carefully. Best of luck.